This is an ultrasound scan of a patient having intrauterine fetal death at the age of 34. This is BPD and head circumference can be measured. Let's see fetal heartbeat. This is fetal thorax and heartbeat. Fetal cardiac activity is not present at the time of scan. Fetal heart was encircled for the reference. Fetal abdomen is collapsed and intestines are also collapsed. There is no fetal movement present. This is the case of intrauterine fetal death at 34 weeks IUFD. This is fetal femur for fetal age determination. Placenta is on posterior wall near fundus of the uterus. The amniotic fluid pocket can also be seen. Amniotic fluid is adequate. Now have a general look.